Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will review and take a look at this beautiful race car, Le Mans race car by Audi. Can't say anything, it was so nice. The details. This is my first time having this kind of car because I'm not into race cars, but when I saw this one it was like, oh my god, I need to have these. So yeah, it's by Audi race car by Maisto on 1:18 scale. It says Audi R8 Le Mans Seeger 2000. So it's based on the R8, and it was so nice. Yeah. The guys say I bought this from Martin, same with a Ford GT, and the guys say I can remove the whole cover by removing the screws. Let's see. Let's take a look. Yeah. It's true. You can remove it. Nice. Oh, I think you don't need to remove it. You just need to push it out. Let's see. So for these, you need to put it back. Yeah, that's it. It will snap. So you just need to pull it up a little bit and push it out. Yeah. So the whole back goes off, and you can see the details of the engine. Nice. Whoa. I think I need to get more of these now. I can say one or two more. I think the Mazda 787B is the same race cars that compete with this one because it has the same look. I don't know if it's year 2000 or maybe earlier, but it's almost the same. And the details on this one is awesome. As you can see, the front. I don't know what year Maisto did this, but I haven't seen anything like it now. So these kind of diecast is quite rare, and if you got a chance to find, just buy it, and it will be a nice addition to your collection. Doesn't matter if you're a race car fan or just collecting regular cars, but this one is nice. Even the paint is in perfect condition, no scratch, no bubbles, no anything. And it's number 8. Yep. What do you guys think? Awesome. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this car, and if you like this video, please like it. If you love this video, please share it, and thank you for subscribing. See you guys on to the next one. Bye.